In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account to Proton Mail. If you manage work and personal email separately, adding another account lets you switch in seconds without constantly signing out. Start by opening your browser and heading to Proton Mail. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon. This might show an initial or an avatar. Click it to open the account menu. In that menu, select Add Another Account. Proton will take you to a secure sign-in screen for the additional mailbox. On the sign-in page, first type the email address or username for the account you want to add. Take a moment to double-check the spelling. Even a small typo can prevent the account from linking. Next, enter the password for that account. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it fill the field to avoid errors. Before continuing, you'll see the option Keep Me Signed In. Turn this on only if you're on a private, trusted device. It helps you switch between accounts faster because you won't be asked to log in as often. If you're on a shared or public computer, leave it off to keep your information protected. When everything looks right, click Sign In. Proton Mail will authenticate the details and add the mailbox to your session. After a moment, you'll be back in your inbox with both accounts available. To switch between them later, simply return to the profile icon at the top right and choose the account you want to view. It's a clean, secure way to keep work and personal messages neatly separated while staying efficient. If the page takes a bit longer than expected, that's normal, while Proton securely verifies your details. And that's all you need. With these steps, you can manage multiple Proton Mail accounts side by side with confidence and keep your communications organized.